Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Varsha here. Today we are going to do a DIY storage container using waste materials. Materials that we require: Pringle boxes, tissue, jute thread, some metallic acrylic paints, white glue, scissor and some sticker pearls and some waste cloth. Here we are starting with the base. I am using white acrylic paint to cover the red color of the box. 2 to 3 layers it will be sufficient to cover the full color. Let's start how to make the strips. So for this what I'm doing, I'm making the cloth little wet. It should be damp wet. Place the tissue on top and roll it softly. You can see it is giving you the perfect moisture how much you require. It's not tearing the tissue, so just keep on making it little wet, and like this you can connect the strips using one another tissue. If you want the long strips, connect the tissue rolling it like this, and if you want the smaller ones you can just keep the length of the tissue what is required. Here I am using a small tissues, so if you want you can have the small ones also, bigger one also. Bigger is much better for the long tubes. And if your towel or cloth makes some problem, use some clips for this. Now the second method, in this what I'm doing is I'm just using a spray bottle. It will give you the sufficient amount of water and you can just roll it out. For this 2 to 3 pumps are sufficient, and the tissue will be proper how much wet you want, and you can roll it. Now our box is dry. This is the way what we want the outcome. This is a weaving texture. We'll be using the strips to weave the box. Place the strips how much length and the breadth you want in a horizontal and in a vertical way. Count and you can keep the numbers. Let's start. Apply the glue over the area where you want to place the strips. It should not be too much glue and not too less glue. Okay, so now start placing the strips horizontally and vertically. So now what I'm doing is I'm now taking the length, how many strips will come in this, how much area I want to cover. So I'm just counting and keeping the strips line by line and sticking on the top. Later I'll be placing one strip with a gap of 1.5 or a half inches of gap. So for this what we'll do, I'm just taking the help of my thumb to keep them all together, and then I'm placing it, the strips, like how we weave, right? One on the top and then one under below. Like this we will be doing it. Now you can see or you can do one thing, you just take out the alternate strips, like the in the first time if we have taken the first, then the third and the fifth and the seventh and the ninth. So in the second line what we will do, we will hold the second, fourth, sixth, eighth and 10th number like this. So we will be using the odd or even numbers of the strips, and then we'll be placing one strips in every half inches. Trim the extra strips. You can see I'm using the alternate strips to hold it back, and then I'm placing another strip in half inches, and again I'm placing the glue. Don't forget to put glue in every point, else you will be weaving and it won't stick to the bottle. One tip: if there is a shortage of the strip before completing the full round, what you can do, if you are connecting the strip to one another, put Fevicol, put the strip on the top, and place a washi tape. Or you can use a regular tape, but you have to remove the excess glue by rubbing it on top of any cloth or your skin anywhere. Just remove the extra glue so that it won't stick to the strips. This will help your strips to hold their place, and you need not have to use your hand to hold it for a long time. So just put the washi tape and leave it to dry, or you can continue with your work. You have to be patient with this work. I know it's little tricky, but the outcome is really beautiful. It looks like a weaving texture. So yes, take your time, don't be in a rush, but do it in a proper way. You will love to do it, and when the outcome you'll see, you can say yes, it's a hard work and it's I have done it. As I told you, while connecting, again we will be placing the strips one above and one bottom. So like this, again we will be placing the strips, and on top we'll use the washi tape to secure it. Again, using the white acrylic paint to cover the full bottle or the jar, you can say, along with the tissue, just cover it so that it will get the even tone. Now here you can show your creativity. It's like if you want to use some other color, some bright colors, you can also use that, and yes, you can do it. Using some metallic acrylic paint to give a shine, you can use a sponge or a brush to just paint it off. Using the jute thread for the decoration, now you can use some gardening jute thread or normal jute thread, anything. Place glue at the end of the Pringle box or the jar. Place it lightly. It should not be too much of glue or not too less of glue. Just place it and use the jute strings now to wrap it all around. Make sure how much thickness you want. Just till there you put the glue, or it's okay if you are placing little more also. Let's make some flower petal for the jute box for the decoration. If you are able to rotate it with your fingers, you do it like this. If you're able to do, you do. But if you're unable to do it, what you can do, take a paper, put some glue on top, place the strips what we have made a circle on the paper, and rotate again on top, and just cut till where you want. The benefit of the strings which we have pasted on the paper is like it will hold the shape for a long time, right? So we'll just now cut it and we'll stick it on the jar. Now everything is dried. So what I'm doing is I'm just using now the pearl stickers to decorate it. Now it's up to you whether you want to decorate it with more of the stickers or less. If you like the DIY, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do leave your feedback, it motivates me a lot, and thanks for watching.